The Dudios M3. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget pair of earbuds, the Dudios M3. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The M3 features 5 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a glossy finish similar to the Apple AirPods Pro, and it has a slim design. On the top of the lid, you have the Dudios branding, and you have the charge status LED lights. On the bottom of the case is a USB-C charge port. Taking a look at the lid, it opens and closes smoothly and it feels tight. The earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. The earbuds have a stem design and it has a large base towards the ear tips. On the lower part of the stem are the ear markings, and on the outer face you have the Dudios logo along with the surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, microphone, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Using the touch controls is easy, a few taps to get the desired functions. These also have volume controls. The case comes in at 2.3 by 0.9 by 1.9 inches. It weighs in at 31 grams and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
To my heart, you touch my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing till we get lost.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Dudios M3 microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone was fair during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Dudios M3. They seated well in my ears and were easy to put on. The large base towards the ear tips prevented from putting excessive pressure in your ear canals. It created a good seal and it felt secure. Touch controls are a plus since it can minimize the pressure when navigating. Build and quality is in line with earbuds coming in at this price point. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. I like the subtle accenting of the logo on the outer face and the touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and 25 total with the case. I like the IPX7 rating, so this should protect you from the elements. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it has its presence. It comes in punchy, but not the deep, overwhelming sounds. Mids and highs come in a bit forward and not too bright sounding. I would say it has balanced sounds all around. And the sounds were decent as I tested with various music genres. Overall, I found the sounds to be good for the budget price point. It can be another choice for those that want it for casual listening or leading active lifestyles. So that is my review of the Dudios M3 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.